Hi, and welcome to today's Rubicon by Michelle with our Baobab Ridge edition of the Africa trip. I'm super excited to share this. It was amazing and a great way to celebrate Jaxon's birthday. Oh my goodness.
You know, on land, it's not easy for them to lie down and do everything. But in the water, everything is possible. It's easy. So they can swim, they can do whatever. See? Oh, the big mama there, she's drinking. She can suck up to 10 liters of water at a time. And definitely after this, they can decide to go. That's okay.
That's so beautiful.
Don't be naughty boy. Walk away. Behave yourself. Thank you. You are not your sweet, you are your friends, eh? So that's how they practice to become donate. That's a show off. But it's usually followed by shaking of the head. And you can see when you shake the head and the ears smack the body. But it's not definitely they are upset or angry. Show off sometimes, yeah. That's very important to the animals, especially the young boys, teenagers. Big mom is coming, I'm gonna move. She's not in a bad mood. She's actually not fighting with us. It might happen some stage she might be the leader of the herd. So that's the point. Maybe you see all of them waiting there. They might be probably waiting for her to become to lead them. They want to meet with she won't come. These naughty boys, I don't want them behind us. Otherwise, they're going to splash this water all over the house. I'm going to be mad.
This is behind me is the Tamboti tree. That is the favorite of giraffes. Oh, this is the one with the two birds on him. The one in front of us.
I like these boys when they're about 3 months old. What? They were so cute. They ran to the vehicle right here. And they sniffed the vehicle.
Aw.
Playing with the tires. They were so cute, this place. But now they know the difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now they can kill you.
Yeah.
I like this one.
The one that's eating with the mom.
No, this one.
Oh, I missed him. They're adorable. But you can't tell the sex?
2 males, 2 girls.
2 males, 2. They're gonna go lay down. They're gonna lay on top. Oh! Called it. Here comes the third one. Aww.
To fly.
That fly is really bugging her. our Sundowner spot. And we have Movin making us our cocktails.
Bush cocktail, right?
Bush cocktails. Celebrating Jackson's 21st under the African sky was amazing. We enjoyed his birthday with the toast in the middle of the Klaserie Private Nature Reserve. Thanks, Movin, for the lovely cocktails. Coming up, the incredible staff at Baobab Ridge put on a show to celebrate. Though it was too dark to film, their voices lit up the night with joy. Here we go.
Happy birthday. Wow.
So,
Sweet.
does everybody want some?
That's the.
Nice eating.
Thank you for all being here on my birthday.
Yeah. Doesn't that go without saying? And thank you to your staff for the lovely performances.
It was beautiful. Yeah.
And anyone who does have a drink, maybe just me and my mom.
Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Cheers.
And happy birthday to
Take us
21
here.
years of being a mom.
Yeah.
Baobab Ridge Safari Lodge. The front of the building and the entrance of the building were quite beautiful. Our huge room that opens straight onto the beauty of the reserve. It was, thankfully, the compound was fenced, so we were safe there. No animals would get in. And then the bedroom. Oh my goodness. So cozy and so beautiful. Breakfast and lunch were served on the deck and the food was delicious. The dinners were around the fire pit and more family style, which was a lot of fun. We also really enjoyed the pool area and overlooking the watering hole, the lounge. There was like a whole outdoor living room down there. It was lovely. So a very fun way to finish out our stay at Baobab Ridge Safari Lodge was to go on our morning drive and find a pride of lions that had just done a kill. Good job, Movin. We really loved it. Thank you. Really want to thank Lebo as well for making our stay so amazing, and all of the staff just creating such a special environment for us. Thank you so much. I really enjoy sharing these videos. Thanks for coming with me. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.